Say just a little bit of competition can really help you stay on the fitness track.
Well, now the Dr. Oz show is pitting 20 moms of pro football players against each other in a challenge.
Fox 28 sports anchor Anthony Rothman in now to tell us how the moms plan to improve their health.
They picked 20 NFL moms and gave them the stats that really count: blood pressure, cholesterol, body fat percentage. Then they gave them a game plan to attack. The rest was up to them.
Can you imagine this?
No, not ever.
And you're going to feel all
Amazing.
that right here in your shoulder.
This past fall, Deborah Johnson got her wake-up call.
My mother had a real devastating stroke, and she's not able to walk anymore. And all of a sudden, I start thinking, oh my God, that could be me.
The mother of Jay Richardson, the former Dublin Scioto, Ohio State, and current Oakland Raider, needed to fix her body. She was heading down a dangerous path.
I was 45% body fat. I thought 45%, that's half of my body is fat. This isn't funny.
Dr. Oz and the NFL Challenge provided the vehicle. She's providing the commitment.
Eating consistently to fuel your metabolism. Getting moving. I started off at 30 minutes, and now I do an hour and sometimes an hour and a half of just walking, aerobics, up and down steps.
Jay provides the encouragement and the financial motivation. How about $100 for every pound lost?
In my job, if I'm overweight, I get fined $400. And when I got back, she had lost over 40 pounds. So I owe some cash. And I've been shelling out ever since, and that's okay. I'm happy about that.
You just don't know how it feels when he goes, Mom, you look great. And I keep putting that outfit out there that I can't wear. And then the closer I get to it, the more I like this.
She'll be wearing it really soon. After dropping 40, she's down to 233 and says she doesn't have to be embarrassed anymore about weighing more than her NFL son. The mother of former Buckeye Nick Mangold, also in the challenge. Going beyond the game, I'm Anthony Rothman.
Well, if you're new